Hey everybody, Michael from EXO here. So we finally were able to take our first test drive with the Eagle Talon. I thought I was going to make that my daily driver because we are in Colorado and we do get snow once in a while. And where I live and work, I have to go up hills both ways. Well, my son and I quickly found out that it maybe might not be the best thing for the daily driver, as we did get sideways a few times in the neighborhood, out on the main roads. It was pretty icy. I think we had a high of like 12 today. So that with the snow and the ice, it just made it like very complicated to drive in. So what do? You find out, you get an all wheel drive car. It's super fun. I've never owned a DSM before, always had front wheel drive, Hondas or rear wheel drive, Lexus, Toyotas type sport vehicles. So this was definitely an interesting mix having most of the power on the all-wheel drive I found was to the right rear of the tire, uh, which isn't the best when you're trying to get out into the neighborhoods and go up hills. And next thing you know, you're looking back at the traffic coming onto you. It didn't really get like that, but that would have been funny. So we did. I don't know how to. So I guess I can't actually flip it once I have made it face mode. So again, the picture of the Eagle Talon. Now, it didn't run and drive perfectly when we got it. We did find out that the ignition control module was the main culprit with the car as far as the stuttering and only running on two cylinders. Of course, we didn't find that out until after uh, driving, I'm sorry, replacing the spark plugs on multiple. Sorry, I'm trying to do too many things. So we didn't find out that it was actually the control module until after replacing the spark plugs, the spark plug wires, the ignition coil, and then the ignition control module was then what was replaced. So, but I feel overall it did pretty well. Can you still see it? There it is. So the Hercules tires, I feel like aren't the best. I mean, they have good tread, but it definitely was a spinner out there when trying to drive. So we may have to go back to the drawing board, maybe get this one fixed up, cleaned up. It has all this vinyl, like they did a peel and stick, a plexi dip or whatever you call it. So we'll have to get all that taken off here. We do have the plastics for the wing to be able to go all the way around the car. And then that way it will have the OEM wing back on there and put the brake light back on. And then maybe we'll just get it cleaned up, painted, and it can be a project for somebody else. I don't know. I need to find a better daily. My truck, as you see in the background, is actually just a two-wheel drive truck, so not the best when you are in the colder elements with the ice and snow and going uphill both ways. I know it's a cliche, but it honestly is what it has to do in order to get to the shop. So comment below. What do you think that we should do with the DSM and for its future life? Should we keep it? Should we just clean it up and make it a fun like summer daily? Should we go ahead and sell it in order to make money for the project Acura and finish that one up? Let me know below.